robots come to life as engineering students at Pompano Beach High School work with Bennett Elementary students at the school's first ever Robot Rodeo. The event was held at Pompano Beach's gymnasium and consisted of many different robotic challenges, where the high schoolers mentored the elementary students by showing them how to work with the robots to complete the tasks and hopefully open these youngsters' eyes to the incredible opportunities in the field of engineering and computer science.
This is the first Robot Rodeo that we're dealing with. This is much more of a partnership with Bennett Elementary School, just to show them all the different awesome robots that are out there now, and kind of get them pumped up about engineering and all these different technologies that are out there. So we have several different things. We have an obstacle course, we have a bowling alley, we have a soccer course, all these different courses for the kids just to compete in, have fun, and learn at the same time.
1, 2.
And some of that learning involved the actual computer coding for each of the different robots, as these elementary students learned from the older kids how to write the programming needed to complete the challenges, which allowed them to not only have fun with the robots, but gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of this emerging technology.
We're going to go through a bunch of obstacle courses where the children are actually physically using devices that are called a Spiro, which is a round ball that they've coded or they're able to manipulate through an obstacle course, or an ollie, which is more of a cylinder, and it's able to jump and do all kinds of tricks, and the kids are able to code with those. It's important to learn this specific science because this is the way of our future. I mean, if you walk into a classroom, everything is technology-based, and the more they know, the better job they're going to get, the more money they'll be able to make, the more people they'll be able to help in the long run.
It's fun because they can teach me things in coding that I didn't know before I came here. And I get to play the soccer, play with the robots, so it's a really good experience.
Are you guys ready to see what the robots can do?
But the elementary students aren't the only ones learning at the Robot Rodeo. The high schoolers are gaining from the experience as well, as the event puts them in the challenging role of teacher, which forces them to have a much deeper understanding of the material.
Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. It's always said that when you're teaching rather than on the student side, you learn more. If the kids come up with questions, you have to figure it out and answer that. Maybe you didn't think of that, so you have to, how does that work? And you end up learning more.
Whenever I teach kids how to do robotics, it always helps me understand it better. And you have to have a firm knowledge of it. You need to go through. If people have questions, you need to know the answers. And if you don't, then you have to work through them. So you get to know every nook and cranny of these robots, how they work and all that kind of stuff. Makes me know, I understand this enough that I can teach it to other people well.
And raising that interest level with these high school and elementary students is really what the Robot Rodeo is all about, as it hopefully inspires both age groups to continue in this emerging field.
Well, basically, we have tons of new technology in this generation, and it's really, really fascinating to learn how to program, code, and even drive them. It seems like I have a step forward because I already know it, and when I get older, I'll know even more. Yeah, I think it'll inspire me to reach for the stars and code different things, so I might become a coder. And that'd be really cool because there aren't that many female coders, so it'd be cool to be one of them.
It's an awesome learning experience. I'm just so grateful for all of the people who are helping us out here. I have been looking forward to this event for weeks. I mean, it's so much fun, and we're just playing with robots. What can be better?
Broward School Beat can be seen on BECON-TV.